Morning everybody, we all alright, early morning, run down what's going on to be quite honest with you. I thought, I can't remember when I last did one. When it's Saturday I did your video, Sunday, I can't remember to be quite honest, I've been that busy. So, run right short what's happened, what's going off. I mean I've been pushing hours a bit to be quite honest. I mean I've got a bit of a bit chesty on the voice to be quite honest. Healy's now all, well, she's all done, blocked tight, and he's isolating coat and last primer. Doors sorted, there's like bonnet left. I've got bolting compression because it delaminated off its back thing, so that's out of the way. Over on Victor, I mean, I don't think I have time to really show you around today. I'll do some more videos all week. It's been hectic, chaotic this week really. So Victor's all welded up, that's done now. No more welding on that, that's gone. Just get it painted. Brake lines through, head gasket, get it back together, and put a bit of carpet and torches, which I'll show you, because it'll be interesting for you. And that'll be off to the customer. Only one I've got welding in shop at now is it's Zodiac. Well, tell a lie, there's a little back balance which is all prepped and ready. Just what's tacking on, probably get done today on Anglia. And well, that's everything. I'm moving perfectly in like right direction. We've still got Friday left today and whatever, Sunday, so everything's going good. Had a bit of chance to mess about with Reliant. I mean, I might do a run out in it on the weekend, see how I go. Let's see how I go, because like I say, I'm pushing at the minute and with everything in shop. I'm trying to create shop to do other things for you and stuff like that. But interesting car still, Reliant. I'm still fascinated by it, to be quite honest, because I mean, I've sort of been in carburetor, I've repaired air filter because that were all smashed and mangled. So I've welded all that up, put it back on right, got an air filter in it, dropped oil, done oil and filter, which has made a massive difference on oil pressure. But now we're getting a little tippity and tappity because it'll be obviously fresh oil, it'll be cleaning it with followers out and all that stuff. I mean, so it'll just be lubing everything up properly and freeing it off. So I'll have to tap it on. I've also renewed some fuel pipes because it was ridiculous. There's no wonder these things get on fire. And then I've had to do a back heater hose, the back of engine, which is interesting. A little access panel and all that stuff. But bit of a hard work job. But I'm going to do some more pipes on it. Obviously coolant pipes, but I'm just going to run it round a bit, you know. And when I do this car, I'm going to show you some improvements because there's a lot of aspects on the bonnet. I don't know what's factory. I don't know what's been added on or what people have done, but I can see quite a few vulnerable areas. I can see how these things end up on fire, you know, and it's like, we'll get it sorted, but, well, you'll see, I mean, you'll see what's going off, but it's been a bit just few little jobs, because I've only been able to grab odd hour after I've done, and every time I've got on, God knows what time it's been, so, but it's on key, running alright now. I think everything's good enough, brakes are good enough. I think I can actually run it down the road. I need an heater box, it needs an heater box really, but I can modify one, I can probably just fab one up, so I can do that. So, and then it needs some heater hoses for demisters, so probably not going to get used. I mean, I'm running one at Zephyrs, one what's in primer, because that demister send does everything, so that weather's cool, but you will see this about and about. You're going to see that probably in primer. I don't know if I'll get it primed this weekend, I might do, see how we go. I'm going to get it masked up yet, cleaned out, and but everything, like I said, sorted. Even these are reinforced. The fiberglass in it, not cold spot lights, spot front, and everything's been a decent week. I mean, been a decent week. Been a push, been a struggle on at Victor with that cross member, but it's on and it's sorted now. Car's good. And chap should be able to enjoy car. I mean, obviously, it's like it's a 1963. It's 60 odd year old. He's going to have to upkeep it. He's going to have to keep topside it, like I keep telling you. Like with this, I think the heater hose I've took off. In fact, I'm not where it is. It might be here. I mean, this is heater hose. Whether it's an original Reliant part, I don't know. It looks like an heater, but it just absolutely rubbed all over the body. Perish like else. I've rerouted it and took it in another way, but it's that rigid. It's there you can see. It's just wore through, you know. I mean, it's a recipe for disaster, but this is what happens with old cars, and you keep them up, you keep plugging away at them, and you keep driving them. I mean, but if you go through them properly, you'll drive them for a long time without any issue. But bear in mind, old cars, they have service intervals 3,000 and 6,000 miles for 3,000 intermediate, quick check round everything, and get your points. 6,000 oil changes, stuff like that. So good to talk to you all again, and I'll catch up with you all weekend. I'll take you for a run out and something. I don't know what we'll go out. Well, we'll see. We'll see what happens, and I'll do something more all weekend. I'm just trying to catch up, but like I said, I've been that flat out. So I mean, there's probably a few interesting things I do want to like talk about. I mean, it's same with. I mean, it's like it's becoming a bit laughable, really, that we've all got to have an electric car, but we shut a British factory down that manufactures vans that weigh 1,100 jobs down to one. But that's another story and probably another video. So catch you all later, everybody. Give us a like if you like videos. Subscribe to my channel. It does help. We're keeping rattling subscribers on. It definitely helps me if you subscribe to my channel. So if you would do that for me, and then ask me any questions. As you know, I always come back to you. But I'm going to have a few interesting questions I've got for this to keep up. We'll probably do a series on it. Same with that, it's coming to end. Same with Anglia. Same with Victor. Same with Big Zodi. It's panning out now. I think I'm climbing to the top of the hill, you know, and I'm getting topside written. So we will see awesome changes next year. So take care, everybody, and bye for now.